Welcome to our class, and I hope you will learn from this video. This is part 2 of our lesson about hazard and risk in carpentry. What are some health and safety issues for carpenters? Carpenters face their own unique set of occupational hazards. These include the following: use of various machinery and tools, exposure to loud noise from machinery and tools, chemicals, solvents, paints, stains, and other materials which may result in dermatitis, allergic reactions, or respiratory problems, molds, fungi, and bacteria, cancer risk from certain wood dusts, flammable materials including wood dust, risk of entanglement of body parts into rotating parts or machinery, risk of cuts, abrasions, and other injuries from handling workpieces and using tools or equipment. By looking at the picture, we can see 3 occupational hazards that can be encountered by carpenters. These are working in heights, extreme temperatures when working outdoors, and risk of pain or injury from working in awkward positions, performing repetitive tasks, or lifting. Carpenters are very prone to this. This is risk of eye injury from flying particles. Shift work or extended work days. Working alone. According to mental health, stress is the feeling of being overwhelmed or unable to cope with mental or emotional pressure. Because of the various tasks of carpenter, especially when working alone, he can experience stress. Additional hazards may be present due to the nature of work site. So always be aware of your surroundings.